This week I'm showcasing Madam Glam neon colors, including cat eye polishes, plus these fun add-ons. Here's my practice bowl, and I'll be doing some swatching coming up. But for now, I want to show you these press-on nails. I am doing something different every week, and I'm going to put these on here with the Jolly Snaps, which I got from Amazon. I like using these because they will hold just long enough for doing my videos, be able to take them off easily. You'll use regular air glue if you want to keep them on for longer. They go on just like this. Perfect. I used Fetsy jelly neons for the base on week 1 and 2. And now I have on the cat eye neons from Madam Glam. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? I love these. So next week, I'm going to add some extra pizzazz with the D-Gel Neon City collection. So stay tuned for that. This is what we'll be working on today. And I'm going to get started on day 11 of 20 days of neon nails. I love how this came out. And now a quick segment of the swatching. I like how I pulled together these colors instead of just getting a whole collection because it saves some money. You can pick out the colors that you like that kind of coordinate with that neon look. These are gorgeous, and I love the cat eye with them. And this is Moon Dust, which is a beautiful glitter I'm going to use this week. I'd love to know what designs you are liking so far from this neon series. I have some beautiful designs coming up this week. And if you really want to see everything, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll get notified. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.